So we will start with our first chapter, chemical reactions and equations. Firstly, we have to consider the following situations. Like when milk is left at room temperature during summers, what happens? What happens when an iron substance is exposed to humid atmosphere? What happens when grapes get fermented? When food gets cooked? When food gets digested? When we respire? In all the above situations, the nature and identity of initial substance gets changed. It means उनका nature change होगा, means उनकी जो properties थी जैसी reaction उनकी initial state में होती अब वैसी नहीं होगी. Physically उनकी identity पे भी फर्क पड़ेगा. पहले जैसे वो physically नज़र आ रहे थे अभी वैसे नहीं आने वाले हैं. So you all know about physical and chemical changes. Whenever a chemical change occurs, we can say a chemical reaction has taken place. So अब chemical reaction क्या होती है, हमें कैसे पता लगेगा कि chemical reaction हुई है? उसके लिए let us perform some activities. If we want to perform our first activity, then we first have to wear eyeglasses. उसके बाद एक मैग्नीशियम रिबन लेना है of about 3 to 4 सेंटीमीटर. उसको रब करेंगे with the help of a sand paper. रब करना इसलिए ज़रूरी है because ऑक्सीजन हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में प्रेजेंट होती है और उसकी वजह से मैग्नीशियम रिबन पे एक वाइट कलर की कोटिंग जो है वो बन जाती है, जो कि जब हम उसको बर्न करेंगे that can be an obstacle. उसको रब कर देंगे, फिर रब करके वो लेयर रिमूव हो जाएगी. उसके बाद मैग्नीशियम रिबन को हाथों से नहीं पकड़ना है, वी विल होल्ड दैट विद अ पेयर ऑफ टोंग्स. उसके बाद स्पिरिट लैम्प की हेल्प से उसको बर्न करेंगे. नाउ ही इज आस्किंग व्हाट डू यू ऑब्जर्व. We will observe that magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling flame and changes into white powder. ये white powder क्या है? This is magnesium oxide. It is formed due to reaction between magnesium and oxygen which is present in our air. In our second activity, we have to take lead nitrate solution in a test tube. Then we have to add potassium iodide solution. He is asking, what do you observe? I will provide you the chemical reactions and observation of both these activities. In the third activities, we have to take few zinc granules in a conical flask. Then we will add dilute hydrochloric acid, or we can add dilute sulfuric acid to the zinc granules that we have taken in a conical flask, or we can take zinc granules in a test tube. Now he is asking that do you observe anything happening around zinc granules? Touch the flask or test tube. Is there any change in its temperature? As you can see in the first reaction, magnesium is reacting with oxygen to give magnesium oxide. Magnesium is metallic silver in color and it will change into white powder when we will burn magnesium in the presence of air. In our second activity, we took lead nitrate solution and add potassium iodide solution to it. It will change into potassium nitrate and lead iodide. See, the potassium nitrate which is forming out in this reaction, it is soluble in water, but the lead ions and iodide ions, they will eventually meet to form a yellow precipitate. So we will obtain yellow precipitate of lead iodide in this chemical reaction. In our third activity, when we add dilute sulfuric acid to zinc, then it will change into zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas will be evolved. Since the hydrogen gas is evolved during this reaction, that's why the temperature of conical flask will increase. So from the above three activities, we can say that any of the following observation will help us to determine whether a chemical reaction has taken place or not. First is change in state. It means अगर सॉलिड टू लिक्विड, लिक्विड टू गैस और सॉलिड टू गैस अगर स्टेट में चेंज आ रहा है, इट मीन्स केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रही है. चेंज इन कलर, वेदर द कलर ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस चेंजेस ड्यूरिंग अ रिएक्शन, देन वी विल से दैट रिएक्शन इज अ केमिकल रिएक्शन. गैस इवॉल्व हो रही है तब भी केमिकल रिएक्शन है. और अगर टेम्परेचर में चेंज आ रहा है इनिशियली और फाइनली, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ केमिकल रिएक्शन.